Seeing a child with a high fever can be frightening for any parent or caregiver. Fever often makes children uncomfortable, tired, and irritable, which naturally raises concern. Here are some simple and effective methods to treat high fever in children and keeping your child comfortable and protected. The first step in treating a high fever is to stay calm. Use a reliable thermometer to check your child's temperature. Digital thermometers are usually the most accurate and safest. Check the temperature every few hours, but excessive checking can create stress without helping your child feel better. Comfort is more important than forcing the fever down immediately. Dress your child in lightweight clothing and use a light blanket if needed. Heavy clothing or thick blankets can trap heat and raise body temperature. Keep the room cool and well ventilated, but not cold. A lukewarm bath can help make a child more comfortable during a fever. This can help lower body temperature slightly and soothe the child. Fever can lead to dehydration, so it's very important to keep your child well hydrated. Encourage your child to drink plenty of fluids such as water, milk, and clear soups. Give small sips frequently if your child doesn't feel like drinking much at once. A plant-based electrolyte drink helps support fever recovery by keeping the body hydrated and restoring important minerals. This drink is made with natural ingredients, making it a gentle option for both adults and children. By mixing one packet into water, you help replace lost electrolytes and support hydration when a sick child sweats or eats less. Rest helps the body fight infection. Allow your child to rest as much as they want. It's okay if they are less active than usual. Sleep is especially important, but you do not need to wake a sleeping child just to give fever medicine unless instructed by a doctor. A no-touch forehead thermometer allows parents to check temperature quickly and accurately without upsetting a sick child. Its fast digital reading and silent mode help you monitor fever changes throughout the day without disturbance. The built-in fever alarm provides instant alerts if the temperature rises too high, supporting safe and confident fever management. Cooling fever patches are an easy and gentle way to provide comfort during a fever for both babies and children. This pad can be placed on the forehead or neck to deliver a soothing cooling effect without medication. Get medical help if the fever lasts more than 2 days. A doctor can guide you on fever care, medicines, and when further treatment is needed, helping keep your child comfortable and safe. By using these methods, you can effectively treat high fever safely and confidently while supporting your child's recovery.